Okay, diagram shows part of a circle, radius 5 centimeters, with points A, B and C on the edge of the circle. It says some stuff. How can you tell that AB is the diameter of the circle? Well, this angle here is 90 degrees. An angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. And that pretty much does it. So that's right angle there. So therefore this must be the line which cuts in half. Therefore it's the diameter. And therefore we know that that's O. And this side is 5, and this side is 5. So that's the first bit. Of course, that's just another rule of the angle at the centre, sort of Star Trek one rule symbol. Angle at the centre is twice the angle here. Well, obviously, if it goes straight across, that's 180, and that is twice the angle at the outside, which must be a right angle. That's the first part. Now I've got to work out the total shaded area, and so this, if I know this goes straight across, it's a diameter. This is a semicircle, the shape here. So what I have to do is the shaded area equals area of the semicircle. That's all this bit. If I shade it all in, all this bit here. But then what I need to do is take away the area of the triangle, which is this bit here. So take away the area of the triangle, then I'll have the shaded bit. So it's area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. And actually, because it's a right angle there, this is all quite easy. Area of a semicircle, we know that pi r squared sounds like area to me. I want a semicircle, so it's going to be a half times by pi r squared. And then take away, I've actually got a right angle here, so it's half of the base times the height. So half times the base times the height, which is 6. And I know the radius is 5, so I've got to do is a half times by pi times by 5 squared minus a half times by 8 times by 6, and that equals 15.2699 centimeters squared, which equals, I would give it to one decimal place, so the next one's a 6, so I'll round it up, 15.3 centimeters squared. And it says give the units of the answer, so actually just by writing down centimeters squared would give you 1 mark anyhow. Of course, if you didn't see it this way, then you'd have to be remembering that if you've got a sector of a circle which goes towards a centre, suppose this angle here is 36.9 degrees, which is roughly actually what this angle, not 36.9, that's twice that much, that would be half of that bit. But if that's 36.9 and we want to work out the area of the sector, then you would have 36.9 over 3/60 times by the whole thing, which will be pi r squared. If that's 5, it would be pi times 5 squared. But if I wanted this bit here, this area here, then I would need to take away the area of a triangle, and the area of a triangle will be take away a half, 2 sides times together, so it's a half of 5 times by 5 times by sine of the angle between them, 36.9. So there's other ways of getting it. The answer is 15.3. This is certainly the quickest way, but you could do it by looking like things like this. And that's question 10 done.